Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we can see that crude has moved out of a zone. Okay, if you look at this particular zone clearly, we have seen the zone was at a level of $81.9. This is the zone. As soon as it moves out that zone, we have seen a further fall, and then there is a higher chances that it can go further down because there is a probability of going further low. We can see because as I've already explained you, 85 is a strong support. Okay, as soon as it moves below this level, chances of touching a level of 78 is there, and if it that level also didn't sustain, then to a level of 68. These 3 points are very important. If the price sustain above 85, then this will act as support, but if it moves below this level, this will act as a 78 will act as a support, and if it moves below this level, 68 will act as a support. These are some of the strong supports. Okay, and coming at these three levels. And if you look at after pandemic, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside we have seen in the price of crude. Okay, and these patterns are formed after the pandemic, and there is a continuous high. As soon as it is making a new high, a profit booking was coming, and then it was going down, and that is where it is creating a swing, and then upside we have seen it is going high. Okay, and for the fifth time this similar pattern is being repeated. Sixth time it would have repeated, but because of the war situation we have seen there is a continuous downfall. Okay, so now the price is trading currently at 80.83, and remember, if the outside news or something situation comes, always be ready with your SL. If you are ready with your SL, your capital will not be wiped out. Okay, most of the traders do this mistakes. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so let's start. If the price sustain this level, what we can see. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high it will not sustain, it can go further low. Okay, but you have to remember, you have to do the probability of both the sides because market is uncertain. Okay, suppose if you are keeping a small SL, then it will hit, but you have to keep the SL as per your volatility. That is where it will go upside. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards its next resistance at a level of $82. Once started going above that level, it will cross a level of around 83. Okay, and 83 is already being tested, so chances are high it will go further upside, and it will go towards a level of 85, which I have already explained you. 85 is a strong resistance, so if the price sustain above that level, it will go towards a level of around $88, and if that level goes further high, then there is a higher chances that it will go further upside towards a level of around $89 to a level of, after 89 we can see a level of $92.5. Okay, as soon as started going above level of 92.5, then we can see it will touch this particular high of around $94.9. Okay, and as soon as it goes above that $94.9, we can see it will move further upside because this is the zone. Okay, so as soon as move out of the zone, a further upside movement we can see in the price of crude. Okay, if you look at U pattern is forming, so once the price started sustaining again above a level of 83.3, we can see a similar pattern, U pattern will form, and there are higher chances it can cross a level of $94 also. So you have to remember this, but create your SL as per that. Okay, so you should have so much of capital, so that if and reduce your quantity. Okay, so that you can keep a good SL. Okay, because if the price started sustaining above 83.75, chances are very high it will go further upside. Okay, after crossing a level of 83.42, it will cross a level of $85.242, and from there to a level of 87.92. Once started going above that level, it will cross a level of around 89.81, which is already being weak resistance, so chances are it will cross a level of around 92.47. Once the price cross that level, a further upside we can see, and then it will cross a level of around 95. Okay, and then a further upside. Now remember, always try to set your SL because market is uncertain. It will save your capital. Always try to trail your SL. Okay, it will save your profit. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, it will move further down towards a level of $80.24, which is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will go further down, and a probability of going towards $79.47. Once the price started moving below that particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of around 78.85, and if the price started falling below that zone, a further downfall we can see towards 77.49. Okay, once the price started sustaining below that level, then a further fall we can see towards a level of around 74.82. Okay, and if it moves below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see towards $72.67, and from there we can see a level of 71.28. Once the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see in the price of crude. Okay, and then if it moves below a level of 71.47, a 68 level we can see in the price of crude, and then if it moves below that level, a further fall. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, and remember something, keep your capital allocated. Okay, if you are trading for five trades you are taking, try to distribute your capital and take a 0.5 to 1% of your SL. Okay, that will save your capital. You have to remember this, because most of the traders do that mistakes and that they lose their full capital. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.